Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to Soccer Forensics. Ntwana Ukren?
Nani Philip?
I'm Nani.
Oh, good, my boy.
Hola.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until La Ekasi. Nisithola nisishisa stars bagala. My boy.
Ntwana.
It's been a while. It's been a minute.
Yeah, been a while.
Welcoming you guys again. I think we had a break, Nyana.
Yeah.
Break Nyana off from the scene, so we're back again. Yeah. Giving you guys hit local news and Orkan news.
Yeah.
Overseas news. A lot of things happened the weekend. Everyone was just watching the nationals, ne?
Yeah.
Congratulations. I think we should just start by congratulating Cristiano for winning it.
Yeah.
Portugal as a whole, yeah.
Sure.
Congrats to them. You wanna say anything, or say valele nje?
Congratulations to the best left back in the world, Nuno Mendes.
Mendes.
Sure.
That boy, he actually proved himself.
Yeah.
Everyone was just looking at Cristiano Noyamali on this specific final, but he just proved himself why he won the UEFA Champions League.
Obvious. He managed to pocket Tulo, Usala, Usaka. Yesterday was Yamal. So, yeah, indeed, he's a great player, man. Incredible. Left back to watch.
Not just your average left back. Created and he scored. He was player of the match. So, let's just give it to him. Just give it to him.
By the way, we're not there, Ndwana. Like, we say touch on it happened, So, yeah, it's just a matter of congratulating about Tris.
Yeah.
But again, Ndwana, when I say touch, big in Churena, man.
Okay.
It's been a tough season for Kaizer Chiefs, man. We've seen Kaizer Chiefs ending out of top 8.
The league, ne?
Yeah, so I think now it's close to the window period, yeah. Teams are busy with transfer news. So looking at Kaizer Chiefs, they wanna ball their squad now as they will head to Netherlands for a pre-season.
Yeah. So, friendly win.
Heaven.
Friendly tour in Netherlands.
Every team is doing that. It's pre-season.
True. It's pre-season, Not every team.
Yeah, last year you were at Daring. Even Orlando Pirates, there was Spain, so we went to Daring night. So yeah.
Turkey.
Because we won there. The only team that whipped us young Africans like Bloemfontein. Yeah.
Hey, so stop player.
So Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, man. We've seen Coach Nasruddin Nabi went to Egypt, went to Tanzania to talk or maybe to look for the quality players
that he wants for the squad.
Yeah, so apparently Tiwa, he managed to convince Faisal Salum to join the project Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
So yeah, man. So we're looking forward to see Faisal Salum joining Kaizer Chiefs.
So is it?
I'd be happy seeing him joining the squad to Netherlands. Manje sesimtholile because manje siyambona kuma pictures enza the peace sign and only to find good like umuntu angazenzela but as Faisal Salum Mntwana is on the Daring, so umakazo enza kanje it shows ukuthi okay
khona okuzayo I was about to ask you to like, do you feel like senimthathile manje saka
manje chances I think, let me say, we're sitting on 80%.
80%.
Yeah, because he managed to agree.
Verbally, ne?
Yeah,
no coaching.
With coach, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yet again, he never signed. Like he refused to sign with Azam FC. So it shows, yeah, it gives positive mindset.
Okay. Another one.
Then the other one, then we're moving to Sipombule.
Mbule.
Yeah, as we all know that his contract has ended. Lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
So Mamelodi Sundowns haven't renew his contract.
They decided not to renew the contract.
Yeah. So Sipombule manje agent yake uMark Makap uthi yena Sipombule has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so it's up to the club ukuthi yamthatha or kanjani, and if ingamthatha we have to respect the decision yabo.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, for me,
yeah,
I believe and I'd like to see Sipombule joining Kaizer Chiefs. With the squad that we have,
Matakweni, yeah.
Ndwana, this is something you can fix as a team. And must ngathi siyabheka lo mjithelo akakazi waba nale ikanda lezi ku SuperSport, and the SuperSport was playing regularly, so he only did this to Mamelodi Sundowns. We don't know, or maybe it's the pressure of not being recognized, so he wanted something to move. Although izotenta image yakhe, but we'll never know.
We'll never know
until I think I wish Kaizer Chiefs can take that risk and sign him. And Ushef Ndana is a great player,
true,
incredible player to watch.
True,
combining on the middle of the park, joining the midfielder and the attacker.
True,
so he can play as a number 10. He can play as number 8. So imagine having Salum, having Mbule Lapa in the middle of the park.
Yeah, that's a heavy up squad.
So I so wish Kaizer Chiefs can get this guy, man.
But Ndanabana, the issue here is not about people like doubting his capabilities as a player, or is he performing or not, is he gonna be performing, or not. It's just the issue of liquor controlling. That's the only issue that the whole PSL is having right now. That's why he was let off by Ilan Tiskukun. It's not like being Bengangadlali or he was performing bad. So it's another issue, and it's a personal issue that I feel like.
Yeah, Ntwana yazi mase kanje kudingakala ini. Now you Sipombule sekamdala man, 27 years old.
True.
At this time we are ukuthi okay, I had these incidents manje twice, cause wayenza no Andile Chale, then Andile Chale wavai.
Wasala.
Yeah. So namanje sakayenza futhi. If Kaizer Chiefs imkai contract, okay, let's say okay, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs management. We're going to give you this contract.
Yeah.
But on this contract, we're giving you an option. If you misbehave, we terminate the contract without even buying you out.
Okay.
Yeah, I think now like leyo izompusha ukuthi like azibonakalise ukuthi hey manje sengifike kwenye 11 man. Ukuthi like i-team izinka i-contract kanje, which means I'm lacking there man. It's a self-discipline thing.
I just comment down below, guys. Just tell us how do you feel about Mbule being part of Kaizer Chiefs? Is there any team that you would like him to join besides the Kaizer Chiefs? Where do you like to see him, Young Tol?
Yeah.
And do you think Utile Ndaba yakhe yotshwala is it controllable? Yeah. Is there any person besides him going to be able to control that issue, Young Tol? On to the next one.
Then I like us to touch Ndaba Orlando Pirates parted ways with Paseka Marco. The greatest left back in the country.
I saw that. I was surprised. But
I was surprised too, man. Maybe like maybe in a long-term injury, or maybe they're looking forward to get the new like the newly signed player, maybe the young ones.
The young ones, they're bringing them in.
Yeah, I think maybe there's this guy. Angazi le esagaqa ubani banokusifa akalapha yashaya left back. Engathi ufuna nanombukazi.
Yeah,
so I think bafuna these type of players, man. So this guy abezangara ku DDC, I think bavula space for the bona. So I think one of the reason bamvaisile uPaseka Mako, he's 31 years of age.
He's old now.
Pethe yonke XPS PSL.
Yeah.
Then he's been linked with Kaizer Chiefs now. Yeah.
And Chiefs footy.
Yeah, he's linked with Kaizer Chiefs.
Hey.
Okay. So yeah. I don't know. Maguti, like we failed to sign Pasadini, then the option is Paseka Mako. Yeah. For me right now, the way I see things.
But then I was like not taking away anything from Chiefs, ne?
Yeah.
I'm just concerned, like all these players that you've been mentioning.
Yeah.
All these 3 players.
Yeah.
Umbule, Usalu, Namako. They're all free agents.
Faisal is not free agent.
I-contract yakhe iphelile. So
no, iphela next season.
Ayipheli manje? Iphela next season.
Yeah, only 1 year.
Okay. But either way, I feel like you guys should be gunning for like beefing up your squad with not like average players, my boy.
So ufuna ukuthi Umbule is average player? No, Umbule is not an average player. Kumbula ukuthi before aye kuMamelodi Sundowns, all teams wanted Usipho Mbule.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a great player. Like I'd like to believe Guti with the good surrounding Usipho Mbule will go back to the national team.
Okay.
With all his capabilities.
Let's just not prolong it, my boy. It's symbol.
Then the last one will be Monapole Saling. As rumored says, he signed a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs.
Hey.
But again, we're not sure about that, Young Tola. It's rumors.
Yeah.
So I think it can bring that direct lapha we attacking Young Tola.
Yeah.
Ageza ngale side and you can play both sides, left cut in never righty kanjalo Young Tola. So yeah, I think these 4 players could add something to that Kaizer Chiefs squad.
Salary
Kaizer Chiefs is the only team like the whole PSL Kaizer Chiefs iyo ongakeze wezwa iskandal zama salary and
payment
stuff. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs yabhadala idlali noma singakusai anything nake ngemali engaka mara ukubhadala ayikho team ibhadala njengale team yeah.
Okay guys, just comment down below, like, subscribe, and ngakhohlwa sesibuyile.
Yeah, we'll back again, guys.
Show us love and we'll continue bringing you guys exclusive news and top of the rank news, guys. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah,
my boy.
Yeah, guys, please. So sure konke into ngeke ngisakephinda yabo.
Yeah.
But guys, please, family, subscribe to Soccer Forensics. It may mean nothing to you, but mean a lot to us. From me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.